Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, just showing you a few pictures from around town. Today I am not redoing, well, this is my second attempt today. As you'll see here, this was my first failed attempt. I used some Josonia lilac color and it kind of overtook my whole painting. So I'm going to redo this 3D flower, and I'm leaving the lilac out. I won't be using that. I'm going to be using Dioxizine Purple, Amsterdam Oxide Black, Amsterdam Titanium White with Arteza Pearl White, and yeah, and I'm just leaving that background. I'm leaving that right there. I'm not going to wipe it off. I'm just going to use it right there, and I'm just going to continue on using my colors. I'll go through a few of them with you, and then I'm going to speed it up because I'm sure you don't want to sit there and watch me. But this is the black going down. And then I have some white. This is the gold. This is Master's Touch Antique Gold. And that is the Dioxazine Purple, I believe. Yeah, so so I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm not going to use the exact same, I'm not going to go the same way I did. So now I'm going with the purple. That was, actually, I think that was the black. Okay, so I'm going with the white. Just a little drop of white. And that is my Dioxazine Purple. Now I'm using the back to the white, gold, and black. Just want to keep that scented as much as I can, and I try and do that all throughout. So I am going to speed this up a bit now. Yeah, and I'll put on some music, and you can just listen to the music for a while. This will catch the paint. caught my paint pretty well. I think that looks pretty good. Not really seeing my purple though. But I'm happy with the results I got. And for my middle, let me give this a little torch right now. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so I found I do have some Flower Soft in yellow. I have Daffodil. I used to use this when I made my cards. So I'm going to be putting, let's see if I can add this with a spoon. Thought I had a little spoon out. Yeah, I think it's very pretty. Another Dahlia flower in yellow. They do come in all different colors. So we'll be, we'll be trying to get that purple. Have to figure out what to do to get that purple in there. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Please give me a thumbs up today. I think I deserve it just for figuring out this little tin foil. Look at that. Just put a little tin foil and you can spin and you don't have to worry about it getting all over the room. Donna from Hollywood, California. Signing off today. Have a great day, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye now. Please wait for the close-up.